Hello everyone, this is the best beard oil out there, and it does even say beard oil, and it's not a paid advertisement. So just got out of the shower about 15-20 minutes ago, haven't done anything with the beard, so I'm going to show you what I do every day, beard maintenance. So, alright. So get a little handful of that. I use probably more than the average person because the beard's longer. Alright. Usually I do this without a shirt on, but I don't want to scare anyone. So, always use a wooden comb. Don't use a plastic comb. And you should start from the bottom. I don't really have the patience for that. Just try to take it easy. It's weird because everything's reversed than what I'm used to. And I'm using the coarse side, to start off with. All right. Then I comb underneath. Then I do the fine comb, and it's kind of hard doing it the opposite way. All right, so that looks better. So usually I tie it up, and so weird to do it the opposite. All right. There we go. And the nice thing is that this oil will keep your skin nice underneath. It won't itch underneath. It won't get red underneath. And that's one of the biggest problems that you would have when growing a beard out, is keeping the skin healthy underneath. So that's it. Just a few pointers, and don't ever use a plastic comb. Don't touch your beard with a plastic comb. It's not worth it. Go out and get a nice wooden comb. Okay? A couple of hairs in there. Boom. All right. Excellent. Have a good one.